ka, ha?
Why is this thing?
Do you really need a screwdriver?
No. I just bought it because I thought that it's not going to work. Finally in.
So, how hard it is to assemble?
Not that hard. I can't believe I just made 3 shelves in a row. Oh, come on. Why does the bottom always this to me? Silly bottom shelf.
You just need to push it.
I'm ready for this. So it hasn't taken me a while to figure out what to do with this. So then I decided, why not assemble it now? Since it's been a while. So I think to myself, I think I should assemble it by myself. And I also promised to my mom that I won't need her help, or even my grandma's help, or even my dog's help, because this looks like pretty basic, and if there's instructions, I won't follow it, but I will still follow it for the first step, then just continue. And that's me following the instructions.
So, it is important to follow the instructions.
Yeah. I just saw the instructions when I opened this box. So there are many other colors like pink and blue, but right now I got black because my mom said this is the only color available right now. But you can also order it in pink and blue. By the way, guys, this is also pretty easy to assemble. Just be careful because sometimes this is stressful.
So, can you do it?
I can do it if this won't break. I hope so. I can do it in about a couple minutes. It will take me a couple of minutes, but not an hour.
So, you don't need any help?
I don't need any help.
You can do it.
Yes. And if this breaks, I will fix it for you because I know the instructions. So these are the instructions. It's quite easy, not complicated. You'll always see the directions. And at the back there is piece by piece. Right now I'm using piece A and piece E to build the shelves. And I have also been using piece B to make the connectors. So I found a way how to fix this situation. First, put it on one side, then just screw it on the other side, but do it 2 by 2 because if you do it 2 by 3,
2 by 3?
actually 3 by 3, it will like break and you'll need to assemble it again. So I recommend doing it 2 by 2 so that you'll slide it and then you can still twist it and there's still a couple space left. So I suggest doing 2 by 2. And at the back there are also the names of the pieces. Right now I'm using piece A, which is the longest pipe, and it is long because I think you're gonna need to put shoes here. So I'm just gonna continue until I made a very big shelf, which I think is gonna be as tall as me because yeah, this looks already tall, you guys. Oh no, this piece broke. So hazardful.
So, you have to fix it.
Yeah, it's so hazardful. if you're stressed, just build the shelf because it will be much more full. Alright, so what kind of shelf breaks? Alright, so now you guys, hammering with it using a screwdriver really works. And front up, you really need to push it in so that it won't break and you can easily lift it up like this. So right now I'm at step 4 and we are nearly, why do I always say nearly? So we are nearly done with this process and it's looking a bit easy. Well, a little bit easier. So right now, what you're gonna need to do, see this, twist it to really get it on. Then this, also twist it. So I'm gonna hammer it. So that it will be nice and strong.
You need to push the other side. No, the other end.
What other end?
Yan.
Oh, this
Okay, push it hard.
Alright. So now you guys are just going to put this again. So again, twist, twist, twist. Then slide it over to the hole. Then just hammer in. It will make that weird sound, but it will be nice and stable anyway. Alright. So here, I'm just gonna do the same steps as we did. Glide it over here. Okay. Did it like this, and I'm gonna use a bigger one. Alright, so you guys, we are nearly done with this. So I'm just going to pop this on, and it will be a pleasure if we just twist it first. So if you twist it, it will be as good as possible. So here we go. Ta-da! But we are not yet done. So here are the sets and the restrictions. We still need to put these pieces.
Okay, careful.
So if you have a hammer, you can use a hammer. And not
But
just a screwdriver.
just a little, not too hard.
Yeah, just don't do it too hard, or else it will be a little winky wonky. So now I'm gonna work on this side. So this is how to assemble it. And I just need a screwdriver. Well, I can still reach it.
You need to stand.
But right now, see how tall it is. It's nearly as tall as me. So I'm gonna assemble it. So this is quite easy to assemble. Just don't forget these holes are facing beyond the other side. So see this holes. So see this with the holes. So it will be facing here beyond the other side too. And then you're just gonna take this and
Yes.
pound it again.
Careful, not too
So
hard.
that it will be stable.
Okay. The other side, you have to... No. That side. There. Okay.
Oh no, this one broke. Don't worry because we just have to
You just need to
slide in
insert it
place.
again.
There.
Okay.
Now it's stable. Now we're gonna take this 4 pieces is called the letter A. The A pieces. So I'm just gonna hold them using my legs while I do these. This one. Okay, so it's nearly as tall as me right now. It's gonna get taller later. Okay, so you just have to twist, 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 and that is the pro tip about this. All you need to do is to twist. Okay. Alright, so now I can hold this one using my arms. Alright, but I also hold it with my legs. Okay. All we need to do is to twist, twist, twist. And then... Oh no, the other one fell.
You just need to reinsert it.
Okay, I guess I totally need to hammer these. But first, I'm gonna add this one so that I will hammer all 4. Okay. Wow. This looks a little bit hard, but it's just a little bit.
You just
easier
need to...
if you pound. So here, just squeeze it all together.
Not that. You have to push it. Yeah.
Okay,
like
so
that.
next step is to put PC. You see these little pieces, these are the smallest tubes. And they
No,
go
baby, it
right
is...
up.
So you're going to
Yeah,
reverse it
So-
or turn it upside down.
yes.
Okay, that's great. Very good.
So if you turn it upside down, it will have the same result.
Wow, that's really great.
And
Nice.
I'm gonna show you how to put together the leg. So you just need PC and PC, connect them together, and voila, you have one of the legs. And here, me and my mom made some earlier, and it is supported by these PSD pieces so that it won't get scratched. So right now, since this is pretty cool and stable, I just turned it upside down.
Okay, and making sure it is on a flat surface.
So then, just put the PC
You have
together with
to
the PSD, and then you're just gonna hammer it again
push it.
so that it will be very stable.
Okay, more. Okay, that's
So you can use your hands, but I have prepared
more.
these.
You have to.
So you can also use your hands.
Okay.
But I prepare using this screwdriver that I just found here lying. So I think this is good.
The other side.
This ratio is good. Now just
Okay.
keep on pounding. Alright, since it's all good, I'm gonna turn it upside down again.
Okay, careful.
So you will see this is a pretty light build, but it's also pretty stable if you lift it up. So now, we're just gonna do the finishing touches, and we're all done, people.
Okay.
Alright, so just put these in here. Da, 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 da. So you can use your hands for that one, because it's not that difficult. You just have to do this, this, Okay, these looks good.
You just need to hammer it.
Okay, so now just need to hammer it.
This side. Hammer it, because it is not. Look, this one, it's not.
Oh, I guess my hammering made this fall. So I just pop it there. Okay. And gentle strokes. Gentle strokes. And then fall again. So just gentle strokes again. There we go. Oh, more gentle strokes. Okay. But I was still wondering, what is this piece for? Let's see it in the instructions. Seems like
It is a spare.
we got a spare piece. Since I guess
Look at this one.
That one?
Fix that.
Oh yeah. So guys, we are still not yet finished. So you still need a couple finishing muscles.
You have to. It's not pantay. Oh, yun.
Okay. So this is a
Wow.
look of the instructions, you guys.
Okay, just following the instructions, you have assembled our shoe rack.
And
Okay.
there are also instructions at the back, but I don't need that.
Wow, that's great.
These
So,
are easy.
okay, let me take some pictures of yours.
Guys, even little children and kids like me can assemble this very nice shoe shelf that is as tall as me, probably. And it is not complicated at all. You just have to look at the instructions and follow the rules. So, I guess I'll see you next time. Bye, guys!